Hello my friends and subscribers. This video is about common mistakes of nail technicians which are connected with wrong tools and products. I mean, when people start their career, sometimes they choose wrong things and these things spoil their work. In this video I'll try to make maximum attention on this problem. So guys, the main mistake of nail masters when they start working with the client and applying the infill of gel nails, they take the wrong drill bit for gel removal. You know, a lot of clients are screaming when you are removing the gel from the nail plate just because the drill bit is not good. In first reason, this drill bit has a small toothing and made from bad quality steel. You can order any Chinese drill bit, I mean cheap Chinese drill bit, and try to remove the gel. The toothing becoming blunted very quickly, and the toothing is small. That's why the client has the burning of the nail plate. The client is screaming. And the second reason, your work is going slowly, very slowly. And this is the big problem for nail master. I suggest you to choose the barrel drill bit from shapeofnail.com. This drill bit has large toothing. It's made special for dental workers. That's why the steel is highest quality. You can try it and you will see that your work is becoming more maximum effective. And the next common mistake when you choose the wrong diamond drill bit. I suggest you guys, if you are the beginner, start with the soft processing diamond drill bit, because a lot of nail masters press too much drill bit while removing the cuticles, while removing the pterygia from the nail plate, or they keep this drill bit with the wrong corner, and you are making the hole in the nail plate with the belly of this drill bit. You should practically no touch the nail plate. Don't touch the nail plate with this drill bit. Just removing the smile foil. It calls pterygia. Just watch the video. Watch the video in details and try to understand it. I suggest you guys to order soft processing drill bits and the medium processing drill bits with the blue line, like on the video. I'm using the small flame drill bit because it's suitable for any type of the nail plate, for long or the short nail plates. And the next problem, guys, when you are using the not correctly and the wrong products for sculpting nails. I mean, when you have ordered the Camouflage gel, in many reasons they are high pigmented. You want to sculpt the long nails with a high stress zone. I mean, with a lot of products to in the stress zone to protect your nail for breaking. You are placing white layers of thick layers of the Camouflage product, and you see that this product doesn't burn in the LED lamp. I mean, UV light doesn't penetrate into the depth of this product, and you have a lot of problems with shaping nails because it's still wet, it hasn't curved, it hasn't polymerized in the LED lamp. You are starting you're continuing polymerizing, and your work is already spoiled. You have to remove nails and start doing this work again. I can suggest you guys to order the Camouflage gel and the sculpting mix gel from shapeofnail.com, because the formula allows you to sculpt wide layers without any problems, and the UV light penetrates perfectly into the depth of this gel, just because it has not too much pigment like other Camouflage gel has. That's why I suggest you to use only these products. Of course, the third mistake are nail files. Just because, guys, a lot of nail masters don't prepare nail files before working. You should remove the sharp corners, shaping one file to the other file. And the next problem when nail masters choose the wrong grid of files. For example, if you need to shape too much, for example, if you need to prepare nails for infill, you should remove a lot of product. That's why you need to use the lower grid file, but some nail masters use 200s or higher grid files for these works, and it's very slowly to work with them. You will also burn the nail plate, to spend too much time. You will be tired quickly with when you are working with a high grid file. I suggest you to use with the gel or acrylic nails only middle grid file or the low grid file. We start from 80 and upper 100, 120, 180. This is a maximum. So you should order files in these positions. And of course you should order high grid file, as I'm using personally TNL files. They are also available on shapeofnail.com. And one of the main mistake of nail technicians, they don't remove the old gel, old product, and they don't remove the dirt from underneath of the nail plate. The best drill bit for removing these products is the cone drill bit, and they start using diamond drill bits, for example, and they don't work at all for this process. And other drill bits with low toothing from Chinese stores, they don't work at all, and they also can cut the skin under the nail plate, and this is the big problem, because inflammation can get bacteria and dirt can get into the blood, and this is the more brings more problems. I have never cut the skin using the cone drill bit, because it's rounded, it's blunted on the corner, and the corner also is working too. I mean, guys, you should choose this one and try it, because a lot of nail masters satisfied with the quality of this product, and no one bad feedback I had about this drill bit. And one mistake about the common mistake about the ball drill bit, sometimes, in many reasons, guys, nail masters start using this drill bit for applying the hardware manicure on the beginning process when the skin of the client is wet or in normal condition. And this is a mistake, because this drill bit is tearing the skin, and the skin is becoming red, inflamed, and it's too much pain on the next day for the client. You shouldn't use this gel bit with the wet and with the normal skin. We're using this gel bit on the final process of doing nails. I mean, when we have already applied the gel, when we have shaped the gel, the skin is very dry. Only in that time you can use this gel bit. And as you can see in our videos, we are using this gel bit on the final process, and it works perfectly with the dry skin. And sometimes we have some dust. It's normal when you have when you are working with the dusted dry skin. So guys, I can suggest you to choose this one from shapeofnail.com, and natural diamond drill bit for effective working with the dry skin. The next mistake some nail technicians are applying the gradient, especially the light gradients, using the gel polish. Of course, you can do it if the gel polish is pigmented enough, but in many reasons light gel polishes are not pigmented at all. That's why if you want to apply the intensive light pigment, you should use the gel paint. I can suggest you guys to choose the special white gel paint for the French manicure. It's pigmented enough, and as in this case, I have already applied the layer of this gel paint. I hope guys that my tips were very useful for you, and I hope you will enjoy these advices. In the next video I'll try to make more reviews on products and give you more detailed information about doing gel nails. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.